Hello, this is a review of the Thai Airways flight TG2428 from Penang International Airport, Penang to Suvarnabhumi Airport, Bangkok. Please watch the whole video, like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. This flight is operated by Thai Smile Airways, so when you check in, you have to check into flight WE428 of Thai Smile Airways. I took this flight on 5 July 2019. Departure was at 7:45 p.m. Penang local time and arrival at Suvarnabhumi Airport, Bangkok was at 8:35 p.m. Bangkok local time. The flight duration was 1 hour 50 minutes. The aircraft was Airbus A320-200 and seating capacity was 150 passengers. Let's get ready to take off. Thai Airways is one of the best in the world, and if you want to know why, you have to fly with them. Chicken noodles, some dessert and drinks. This is not a full meal, it's a semi-meal, right? Yeah. So the sun is setting right there, and it's a beautiful ambience outside. This item is cold. It's not very good. This one is hot. I haven't tried it yet, but it smells good. Let me try. Good. We were descending upon Bangkok, and that's the Bangkok city outside. It's time to land. Apart from a little bit of turbulence, it was an excellent flight. This video is sponsored by Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus and was shot with GoPro Hero 7 Black. And Boya BY-M1 microphone was used to record audio. For more information, details and links, please check out the descriptions below. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Your valuable comments will definitely help me improve my videos in the future. Thanks for watching.